a dream. I never imagined that finally it will happen here in Tagaytay, but today, here it is.
Hi, I am Marge. I am a mom, a nurse, and a breastfeeding advocate. Our main vision and our main thrust is to increase breastfeeding awareness.
Hi everyone, I'm Doxy. I'm the founder of Autism Mompreneur Tribe and one of the core leaders of Mompreneur International. So I'm very proud that our team is already organizing events like this here in South Luzon.
Hello, I'm Latch On Cebu. So we're here at the SMC site. We're here at the big Latch On Cebu. You know, breastfeeding is very dear to us. This is the very reason why we formed the Mompreneur in the first place. So we wanted to bring back the moms back home where they really belong with their babies, breastfeeding their babies, taking care of their babies. That's why the Mompreneurs exist.